Howdy, this is Chris Bertelson with a quick clip from Nevada Learning Series. Here we'll take some time to look at the timeline slicer in Excel 2013. Slicers, you may know, are ways that you can slice off data in a pivot table for displaying in your report. And to insert a slicer, you say Analyze, Insert Slicer. And if you want to put in a date slicer, you can put in date, and you have these nice buttons right here that you can use to filter your dates. You can see them changing over there on the left. But now there is a new and better way to insert a filter for doing time called the timeline slicer. And here we go to Pivot Tables, Analyze, and we insert a timeline slicer. And we can only apply this to a date type of field. And there you can see we have this horizontal bar that looks like a timeline. We can resize these slicers. You can format these slicers with different colors. And down at the bottom of the slicer, there's a horizontal scroll bar that scrolls us through the range of dates that we have. Maybe I just want to choose January of 2011. I click on that in the timeline, and that has narrowed that down over here in my report to just January or February or March. Or I could extend this out for a couple of months. How do you know what you've selected? Well, it shows you visually there on the timeline. It also shows you up here at the top in the form of text. This is February through March 2011. This is February through May of 2011. I can also control the increments that I'm using. Up here in the upper right-hand corner of this control, I could go from years to quarters to months to individual days. Let's do it by quarter. So now we've done it by quarter, and we can click on Q3. We see Q3 listed up there. You can grab the little handles and you can extend that out. And it gives you a very easy visual way to choose the dates that you want to display and see those sliced off and displayed there in your pivot table. So this is a new feature in 2013. It's called the timeline slicer, and it's one of the things I really like about working with slicers and pivot tables in Excel 2013. This has been a quick clip from Nevada Learning Series, helping you get the most from Microsoft Office.